Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable. This is Engineer Prime Umar, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use some common engineering symbols in AutoCAD. We will also learn how to use GD&T symbols in AutoCAD. So let's go to AutoCAD and let's learn this. So here you can see I am using AutoCAD 2021, but if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's say I have to add some notes here. So let's go to text, and here we have two options, either multi-line text or single line text. So I will select this one, multi-line text, and I will make a text box. Let's write add 50 diameter through holes. Also, I will add another line like all chamfers are 45 degrees. And then I will write another line like apply 50 plus minus 0.1 tolerance, and the fourth line is GD&T symbols applicable. Now we will add symbols to it. So first of all, I will change the font style. I will change it to Arial. Now I will add a diameter symbol here, add 50 diameter through holes. So I will go to here symbol, and then here you will see different symbols like degree, plus minus, diameter, center line, etc. So I will add a diameter symbol here, and here I will add a degree symbol, and apply 50 plus minus tolerance. So here I will apply plus minus symbol, and here is the most interesting thing, GD&T symbol. So let's apply GD&T symbols here. Okay, so for this I will make another text box. Go to here text, multi-line text. So I will go to here symbol, and here you will not find the GD&T symbol. So I will go to here other, and then in this drop down I have to find out GD&T. So I will write G, and then I will select this one GDT, which is the same as GD&T, geometric dimension and tolerancing. So here you will find different symbols of GD&T like perpendicularity. I will select it. Like parallelism, I will select this symbol. This one is, I guess, position symbol, and this one is for angularity, and these are for least material condition and maximum material condition. So I will select all these, then select these, copy, go to this text box, right click and select this option, paste. So that's how you can use simple drawing symbols like diameter, degree, plus minus sign in AutoCAD, and you can also use GD&T symbols in AutoCAD. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial.